Hello students, welcome to PraescioEdu YouTube channel. This is scholarship exam standard 5th online class, subject mathematics, and the topic is angle and types of angles. This is lecture, and after this one we are going to see some examples. So about the theoretical part, so as we know, the point means this is a diagram, and from the points the number of points are in one line, so that is called as a line. Okay, and the line having the endless of both side, okay, that is called a line. Okay, and if that is a end with a something points, that is a called a segment. Okay, and if that line is a one side, any one out of the two, every line have the two ends, so out of that one, if any one end is endless means unlimited, so that is look, we can say that is a ray. Okay, means we can say light from the sun is a one point, from that is a generated. Okay, and from the sun that lights always be going travel. Okay, so that is a, we can say the ray. Okay, sun rays also we can say. So the line means both the side, that is a endless, so that's why we are showing with a arrow. Okay, then segment means both the side are the end, means there is a point at the end, there is a fixed point. Okay, after that one the line is not going to move or not extended, that is a called. Okay, so that is a terminated means ending there. Okay, terminated means that is the end portion. Okay, so that called the line segment. And ray, as I earlier told, that one is a fixed end and another is a endless, or we can say continuous, or we can say infinite. Okay, infinite means uncountable. Okay, that is a, so that travels, always be travels like that one. Okay, so that is a light, like a light ray. So these are the main points in a lines. Okay, so with the lines, if suppose there are the two lines and they are the intersecting with each other, then that they are forming the angles. Okay, so suppose this is one line and this is one line. Okay, so these are the any lines with a line, or we can say the segments. Okay, suppose these are the two lines, they are intersecting here at a point O. So now from the O, this is one line, and from the O this is one line, or we can say the segment. Okay, so these two lines are forming these angles. Okay, this called as the angles or something, the equidistance from this one. So here also they are forming angles, here also they are forming, and here also. Okay, so these are called angles. So for to making the angles, minimum two lines are required. Okay, so generally angles are measured in between the two lines. So the now in angles, so as I told earlier, the two lines are forming the angles. So in this one the nomenclature as it is. Now if that point means from where the lines are started, so that is a called a generation point, or we can say that is a vertices. Okay, so means two lines are intersecting at one point, that is a called a vertices, and this angle is forming in between this one, this is the angular portion. To measure this one, we are using the protractor. Okay, so this protractors, this point, which is called as the center of the protractor, many of the portions, many of the times this half protractor means 0 to 180 degree or 180 to 0 degree, these are the angular measurements. Okay, somewhere the completely means full circle protractor also available in markets, that is a 360 degree. So now is a vertex in this figure, and A and C are on a lines points. Okay, respectively for the two lines. Now they are making the BA this line and BC this line, they are making some angles. So on angle basis the measurements, there are the angles types are formations, means if there is a below this 90 degrees, so this 90 degree means from this 0, if the angle made below the 90 degree, that is called a acute angle. Okay, and then angle measure after more than the this 90 degree, that is called a obtuse angle, and the angle exactly with a 90 degree, that is called a right angle. So now this is a below the 90 degree, if BC, if we are making the matching with this zero line, and this BA, okay, this matching with somewhere here 50 degree or 40 degree approximately, so this is less than 90 degree, so that is a, we can say from this one, we can say from 0 to 90, that is a acute angle. Okay, that is called a acute angle. Exactly on a 90, that is a 90 degree, or that is a right angled triangle. Okay, a right angled, okay, that is a right angled. Then more than 90 degree from the 0 degree, so that called as a obtuse angle. Obtuse angle, these are the three types of the angle. Okay, so on this basis we are going to see some examples. So from the examples also our concept will going to clear. So this not only this example, this is also the informative examples we can say. Okay, so student has to remember these examples. So question number 1 is there: how many ways can you write name of the angle in a given figure? So here line BA and BC, these are the two lines and they're making the this angles. So we can say directly angle B also, only this is the one way. Okay, only angle B. Then angle B, sorry, A, B and C, A, B and C, this is the another. Or CBA also we can say, means CBA. But everywhere, every point, every time this B means vertices of the angle, it should be at the middle. Okay, means we are measuring like this or like this, or only simple we can say angle B also. So these are the total three ways we can write that, and 3 is given in option number 3. Now question number 2, which type of angle is the given angle? Now as we told, this is the more than the 90. Okay, more than 90 degree. So this is a obtuse angle. Okay, so obtuse angle is given in option number 2. Then question number 3, in the clock the time is 3 o'clock. Okay, what is the measure of angle between our clock, our hand and the minute hand? Now suppose this is a clock, we know this 12 at the top, 3 at the right side, 9 at the left side and 6 at the bottom. Now 3 o'clock means this hour hand is at the 3 and the minute hand on the 12 exactly. Okay, this is exactly 3 o'clock. Now this is the 90 degree. Okay, means this is a right angle. So this is the 90 degree, means option number 3 is the correctly. Now question number 4, count the acute angle in a given figure. Acute angle means this is the below 90 degree. Okay, so now in this figure, here this symbol is shown that this is the right angle. Okay, means all are in right angle, means these two lines AC and BD are intersecting with 90 degree. Okay, now one angle is 90 means obviously all the three angles also in 90 degree. Okay, now on this basis we can say this A, B and D, this is a acute angle. Now B, A and M, this is also acute angle, means this is a 1, 2, like this one, this is 3, 4, 5, 6, and then this is a 7 and this is a 8. So total we can say there are the total 8 angles. Now BAD, this is also the one angle, but we don't know exactly the measurement whether that is a more than the 90 degree also. So that we cannot sure. Even BCD also, that this angle also may be acute angle, but exactly as per this measurements we could not be sure. But actually visual means this is a 90 degree, means of course there these two angles measurements we can say additions is a 90 degree, means this angle is below the 90 and this also the below 90, then we can sure that this is the acute angle. But about this one means total this and this angle 2 and angle 3 additions of this one, we could not be say this is a 90 degree below. So that's why we are saying this is a total 8 acute angles. Okay, now question number 5, each angle of rectangular is measure 90 degree. We know rectangular means all the sides are with a 90 degree with each other. Okay, then only it will be a rectangular. So 90 degree means option number 2. Then question number 6, the sum of all angles of quadrilateral is summation of, means summation means all, we know quadrilateral means 4 angles. So this is also 90 degree, 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 then it will rectangular. Okay, but it's not necessary every time this is a 90 degree, but if this is a more than the 90 degree means this will get a reduce, means that all the 4 angles if you measure it will be the 360 degree. So 360 degree means option number 1 is a correct one. Now question number 7, count the number of angles in adjoining figure. So this is our like a previous topics, so figure counting. So we will make the numbering 1, 2 and 3 as the common vertices and common lines also for this one. So we will make the higher numbers triangular numbers, means additions of all this one 1, 2 and 3. So additions of this one is a total 6, means option number 2 is a correct. Now question number 8, a quadrilateral is divided into triangles. Each triangle has the 3 angles then how many angles will be formed in a quadrilateral? So now suppose this is a any quadrilateral, so like this shape, okay, so this is a quadrilateral, 4 vertices, okay. Now from this one, if you make the diagonal attaching, means it's a divided into triangle. Divided means one diagonal attached, so 1 and 2, these are the two triangles is formed, okay. Now three angles, so triangles has a three angles, so each triangles means, okay, these 1 2 and 3 angles, here also three angles, yes, correct. Then how many angles will be formed in the quadrilateral? So how many angles? So this is a 1, this is a 2. Now 3 4 5 6, and this total 7, and here also total 8, so there are the total 8 angles are formed. So option number 3 is a correct one. Now question number 9, how many vertices are there in a given figure? So vertices means the two lining point, okay. So here this line and this line joining, so this is the vertices. Now we are making the numbering 1. Now this is also the vertices, 3 lining are joined, so 2, here also the 3, then 4 5, then 6 7 and 8, so there are the total 8 vertices, means option number 2 is the correct. Thank you.